You came.
But of course, and I brought fireflies.
Oh, I've noticed that you brought fireflies. Thank you.
I missed you. I kept thinking about you.
Same here. I missed you too.
Whoa, butterflies. You're gifting me butterflies? Thank you so much.
Hey, sure. After all, you brought me fireflies.
Oh, no need to worry, precious. Everything will fall into place. I'll be there for you. And the king anyway.
The horse, dumb animal, that's all I needed. Her power slows me down in carrying out my plans.
Scram. Get lost, get lost, get lost, get lost. Get lost, get lost, get lost, get lost.
You are facing a huge challenge.
Another king in love? That might help.
Oh? Are you all right? I'm exhausted, that's all. Oh, I'm happy to hear that. But, you look entirely different. I merely changed my shape, so don't worry, it's still me.
Strangely enough, the Wicked Witch is still powerful. Despite the winged horse's strength. Something is wrong. And I failed to reach one of the kings. That's a great problem.
I am burning.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, I guess it's not unusual.
As for me, it is rather unusual, believe me.
Oh, how flattering. I take that as a compliment.
Oh, absolutely. What the heck is happening here? Oh well, if you ask me. He has one of your people over? Looks that way, doesn't it? Yeah, ha ha ha. Finally, there he is. About time to. As happy as a clam, at high tide. And, as proud as a peacock. Good evening. Yeah, good evening. Oh well, I've not been expecting you.
I was just going.
Oh, please stay.
Oh, you want me to stay?
Yeah, sure. Forever. Stay with him. It's better that way. You are in danger. In danger? What's happening? The Wicked Witch. She is bracing herself. With our vulnerability. I am not vulnerable.
Blast. Ha, you fool in love. You are even most vulnerable. Air and earth are no longer useful for anything.
Where is she? Where's my love? I'm warning you, if anything happens to her then.
Then what? Are you sending me butterflies?
No.
Oh, please help me. Help me, my love.
Oh, gorgeous.
I am so scared.
You need not fear.
Remember me.
Remember you. Hey, we'll be together. You will suffer for this ugly old witch, I swear. That is futile. She's too powerful at the moment and we are too weak. We've to join forces with the others, and we've to figure out a plan. See, you don't have to worry about your woman. The winged horse is in the forest because she followed my love, she will protect them. She's overly powerful, the wicked witch is unable to harm this remarkably good creature. The winged horse was able to enter the forest? Interesting. Maybe any animal can go in? It's worth a shot. Hey, what are you up to? We need you out there. You are one of the kings. Too late. The eyes of love are blind. He already made his decision. Let's hope for the best.
I don't want you in my forest. Do not anticipate a pleasure, but rather, a disaster.
Nothing. Here is absolutely nothing. Oh, gorgeous. Where are you? I'll find you. Oh, I swear.
Ah. Oh, hello, sweetheart. It's been a long time since someone paid me a visit. What brought you here? Ah, whatever. Welcome to my humble abode. Come closer, honey. May I offer you something? Tea? Coffee?